Now, local Transformers fans got an early Christmas gift last September. The iconic franchise rolled out its 40th anniversary comic book cover exclusive to the country. Today, we get to meet the artist behind the cover. Comic book artist Von Randal now joins us live via Zoom from Olongapo City. Von, magandang umaga. Kamusta ka naman?
Okay naman po. Good morning po.
Von, unang-unang congratulations, now part of the Marvel roster. How does it feel to be part of that group? Kasi syempre, for a lot of people, yan po ang holy grail ng mga comic book artists. How does it feel to be part of the Marvel family?
Super happy po. And dream come true po para sa akin.
Alam mo, Von, yung journey mo, nakita ko yung duma mong mga work, going from working with Spawn, obviously, with the Transformers, and then all of a sudden, Iron Fist, 50th anniversary, tapos Spider-Gwen. Ano yung feeling nung nakita mo yung pangalan mo with a Marvel comic, the first time that you saw it?
Super happy and ano po, talagang hindi ako makapaniwala kasi everybody is doing job as a comic book artist and napakahirap po talaga na makapasok sa sa Marvel.
At alam mo, you made a lot of buzz. Ayan, nakita natin yung 40th anniversary edition ng Transformers na may Philippine exclusive cover. Ano yung inspirasyon doon? Ano yung direksyon na binigay sa'yo?
Kinausap po ako ni ni Kuya Sandy ng Comic Odyssey and si Sir Ivan Guerrero. And inano po nila yung nila sa akin, idea po nila. And then, ayun po. So, winner out po yung ideas nila hanggang sa come up po sa ganyan. Yung Jeep and si Optimus Prime.
Oh, speaking of Jeep, no, tampok sa cover, Von, yung Autobot na si Hound, which transforms into a jeepney, yung hari ng kalsada dito sa Pilipinas. Now, Von, take us dito sa proseso sa paggawa mo nitong cover na ito.
Yun po, kinontak po nila ako and then ano po sila ng ideas nila na ito po yung gusto po nila, si Hound is magiging mag-transform po siya as Jeep, and then parang nakikipag-race po siya kay Optimus Prime. And then naisip po na gawaan ng parang little story yung cover. So naglagay po ako ng Starscream sa taas na nakikipaglaban po sa kanila, hinhabol po sila. So yun po, from robot to vehicle po sila nag-transform. So yan po yung nangyari dun sa cover.
Alam mo,
may story po siya.
Alam mo, Von, I'm not going to lie. I never thought na makakita ko ng jeepney na Transformer. Kaya maraming salamat para doon. Pero, Von, I noticed sa mga gawa mo, in fact, kanina nagpakita kami ng clip na handheld yung, or rather traditional mode of art yung ginagawa mo. Pero there was a point sa career mo na mas digital yung gawa mo eh. Who convinced you to go back to yung mga traditional form of artwork and that helped you do what you're doing right now?
Ang nag-ano po sa akin kasi before, nasa traditional yung magawa ko po. And then, na-introduce po yung digital at para maka-save po ng time. And then, yung mentor ko po na si Harvey Tolibao, siya po yung nag-ano sa akin na push uli na bubalik po sa pagka-traditional uli. And then, yun po. Doon po ulit nag-start na nag-traditional po ulit ako. Then kapag gumagawa po ako na layout is from digital kasi mas madali po lalo na kung may revisions. And then ililipat ko na lang po siya via traditional.
Okay, Von, may challenge kami para sa'yo kasi isang co-host namin dito, Phil Ang.
I'm so sorry.
May tanong niya dito sobrang English, okay? Kaya natin to.
But wait, no. I'm gonna try to ask in Tagalog. I have to practice my Tagalog.
Do it. You got this, Mom.
Ako yata yung na-nosebleed sa
Siya yung
Tagalog.
nahihirapan. Oh.
Okay.
You got this.
Rate my Tagalog.
Okay.
Sir Von, nakikita ko na drawing ka talaga, very traditional. Matagal ka ba? Like how? No, let me do it in English now. I'm losing my train of thought. How long does it take you to do a cover? Kasi ang galing ng process mo. I'm just watching on screen. It seems like it's super matagal.
Now, it took me 1 day almost 1 day to do the cover.
Just one
Parang
day.
ang bilis na.
One day?
Mabilis
It's
ba yun?
amazing. Oh my goodness.
O matagal. Mabilis ba yun yung 1 day?
Is that like non-stop?
Yes, it's non-stop.
Grabe, hyper fixation focus.
Grabe naman mo, napa-English
Yes.
tuloy si
Oo
Von.
nga.
Thank you naman po.
And Von, dito sa cover na ito, no, nung sa Transformers, and also dun sa new Marvel project that you're gonna be working binigyan ka ba nila ng freedom to express yung style mo dito sa pag-illustrate for these projects?
Yes po. I'm very grateful po sa Marvel kasi hindi po sila nag-strict sa akin, and then talagang nabigay ko po yung artistic way ko, yung mga ideas po dun sa mga characters, sa panels, sa buong comics. So, sobrang grateful po ako sa kanila. Kasi
Von,
hindi po sila nag-restrict.
Von, can you tell us about yung first contact mo with Marvel? Parang feeling mo ba parang prank phone call o email na spam? Pala totoo? Ano yung feeling?
I bet surreal.
Oo.
Ganito po yung story ko, Sinan. Last year po kasi may ginanap po din na Super Manila. And then, meron po silang portfolio review by CB Cebulski, which is yung editor-in-chief po ng Marvel. And then, nagpasa po ako ng application sa kanila. So, na-shortlist po ako, and then during event, nag-present po ako sa kanya ng mga gawa ko po. And then, few months later, mga ganun po yung inantay ko eh. And then, nakatanggap po ako ng email uli na gagawa po ako ng sample pages to test kung capable po ba ako. And then, ginawa ko po. And then after weeks po ata, I guess, naka-receive na po ako ng call, ng email na I got the gig. So, ayun na po yung start nun.
Von, you're not alone. If I'm not mistaken, tatlo kayo
Yes,
na-reveal ng Marvel. What does that say
Yes,
about
po.
yung talent ng mga Philippine artists? Because I'm assuming right now, syempre sa community ninyo, that very widely celebrated yung pag-hire sa inyo.
Okay. Super happy na ako kasi lagi. Kasi natanggap po kami ng Marvel. Kasi sobrang hirap po talaga makapasok sa Marvel. Dahil talagang top po kasi yun eh. Yun po. Mahirap po talaga siya makapasok.
Sir Von, okay, I'm gonna try to speak Tagalog again, okay? Practice lang.
Pinag-practicean si Sir Von.
What can we expect, Mix pala, what can we expect from you from the future? Kasi nakita ko kanina, meron kang Transformer na jeepney. So parang, I have this idea, maganda that may tricycle tayo na Decepticon. Parang maganda yun. Kayang-kaya na. Can we see that in the
Yes,
future
po.
Ideas lang.
Maybe in the future po. Maybe in the future.
Iko-consider
Magkaroon po
niyo
ng yes po.
Tricycle na Decepticon. Basta tricycle, di pwede ata pedicab. Pero, Von, message to
Yes,
mga
po.
supporters mo because obviously there has been an increase of interest sa gawa mo, sa trabaho mo, and of course sa journey mo. What can you tell them, especially mga aspiring artists, to be able to reach for the dream, shoot for the stars, work from independent to that big label, that big work that they want to do in the future?
Sa mga newbies po, practice lang po talaga, and then study your craft, and listen to the advice of the professional artist, tanong po. Pero most of the time po talaga is dapat may set of goal para yun po yung magdadrive para maging successful. So kung gusto mo po maging comic book artist is dapat yun po yung talaga i-practice mo. Practice ka po mag-comic book artist talaga. If yun yung goal mo po. So, para sa akin, araw-araw dapat mag-practice, drawing, and study. And yun lang naman.
Success doesn't happen overnight. Von Randal, maraming salamat. Maraming salamat rin na hindi mo na-blur yung background mo kasi grabe ang ganda ng background mo. Gusto ko i-zoom in yan mamaya. Of course, we'll be rooting for your continued success. Maraming salamat. Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you po.